Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am doing some repotting because I noticed that my plant here doesn't look so happy. This is the Variegated Monstera Albo, and as you can see in the stem here, it kind of look brown, very looking sad to me, and it looks like needing more nutrient in her one root that is coming out. So I decided to transplant this today, or repot this today. So I got some mix here. I use some type of this potting soil mix. The coarse blend this is the Miracle Grow. So that's what I use with some regular potting soil that I mix with it. And I also put this in the mix, this orchid Better Grow brand. So I am adding this to the mix too with just my regular potting soil. Mix everything in. This is what it turned out to be. So let's see how it goes, because it's better than this, right? Better than this thing right here. It's just pure I don't know what type of mixture this is, but I'm gonna repot this. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing, because I don't really know. I'm nervous, you guys, because this plant is my dream plant and it's so special. So I'm gonna try to repot this today, so you can watch me do this. I am so scared. Take this thing off. I hope I'm showing you properly. My angle is so weird right now, but please don't mind the mess, because right today I am just my plants in my pots and my yard is just a big mess. We have a very bad rain for 2 days, and oh wow, it really does need some repotting. Look at this, you guys. The roots are bound. I'm so glad I decided to do this today. So what I'm gonna do is just I hope I'm doing the right thing, but I don't want to touch the roots, but I kinda like loosen it a bit because it's so root bound. So kinda just loosen them here. So correct me if I did bad on this, because I just think that's what you're supposed to do, to loosen it a bit so it can breathe and spread. It is so root bound. Look at this. Wow, I didn't know that's why it looked like this. I am so dirty, you guys. Even my shoes is dirty. I was doing some painting the other day and everything is just a mess. Wow, look at this, friends. Okay, wow, look at that. I can't believe this is what's going on, and I can't believe what I'm doing. I just put it down right where my newly ready pot. I'm gonna have to dump that thing and put some new ones. Wow. Okay, this is probably good so far. Okay, well, let's loosen a bit. But now I made a mess of doing this. I'm gonna have to remove this other stuff here and mix it with the good dirt. I would still use some of those, but I want to have some good stuff underneath here. I didn't use gloves, but anyways, I made more mess. Okay, I just dropped some bags of dirt. Okay, so I have this in here. We probably can't see it where I'm grabbing stuff, but a mix of dirt in here. Look at me. I am not organized. You know, guys, I even have rocks in my potting soil, because these are some of my succulent mix that I do. Some of my succulent mix, I added pebbles to it because that's how they love it, and I am just keeping it that way. So hopefully this baby would love. Oh my goodness, I hope I'm doing the right thing. So, well, probably need to get this thing out too. Whoa, am I doing the right thing right here, like what it was, and then put the stick before I put the dirt in. How was it standing up before? Oh, I'm doing the stick wrong. Okay, this was like this before. This is like that. Okay. I'm trying to remember how it was done. Okay, so okay, let's do it like that for now, and then I'm gonna add some of my mixture here. So this is my mixture. Look at this type of a mixture right here. There's gonna be some roots in here, and this next one, I don't want them rocks in here. I have so much repotting to do, you guys. I have some of my other plants that needed help, and today I was thinking it wouldn't be that hot, but Florida, it is a hot day today. It rained yesterday, and thinking, oh, it's gonna be cooler today, but this is how we are here. Oh my goodness, I think I like it. I like this mix. So I'm gonna keep it in here, and then I will do an update on how this one looks, because I'm so worried about this plant. Where did that stick go? I thought I have something to clip, I left it on the table. But friends, this is what it is right now, and I will do an update on this baby because I love this baby, and it's gonna stay in this pot for now. All right, well, I will keep you updated with this because I love this plant, and let me know if I did the right thing or if I did the wrong way. But let me know. I take anything what you say. Oh, here it is. I just found it. Okay, this was sticking in here before. Oh, should I do this? Keep on. It has some bumps in the thing here. See that, guys? From the stick. Maybe I'll just let it grow like that. Or maybe like that. Okay, I'll just do it. Okay, it's already got bumped in there. It's not where it was before. Alright, stay like that. Putting it right where the mark is. Okay. Alright, friends, I hope I did the right thing. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, this is the new root that came out on this plant. This is the only one that came out. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and happy planting. Bye bye.